Slava Raskaj was born January 2, 1877, died March 29, 1906, was a Croatian painter, considered to be the greatest Croatian watercolorist of the late 19th and early 20th century. Deaf since birth, Raškaj was schooled in Vienna and Zagreb, where her mentor was the renowned Croatian painter Bela Cikos Sesija. In the 1890s her works were exhibited around Europe, including at the 1900 Expo in Paris. In her 20s Raškaj was diagnosed with acute depression and was institutionalized for the last 3 years of her life before dying in 1906 from tuberculosis in Zagreb. The value of her work was largely overlooked by art historians in the following decades, but in the late 1990s and early 2000s interest in her work was revived. Raškaj's repertoire was peculiar at the time. She painted somewhat macabre paintings of still life, watercolors with unusual objects such as a starfish, a silver jewelry chest, and even more interesting, pairs of objects such as a red rose and an owl, or a lobster and a fan. Her works were first publicly exhibited at the Art Pavilion in Zagreb soon after it opened in 1898, where 6 of her watercolors were presented along with the works of renowned painters such as Manci Clement Krančić and Vlaho Bukovac. Her paintings were also exhibited in St. Petersburg, in Moscow and at the Exposition Universelle in Paris in 1900, where 5 of her paintings were shown. In 1900 first symptoms of depression began to appear. She was hospitalized but soon after that she was released for home care. However, her condition deteriorated further and Slava was eventually institutionalized at a psychiatric hospital in Stinjevec in 1902. She completely stopped painting in her last years, and died on March 29, 1906 from tuberculosis.